What up, crazy people? It's December. I've taken a flight to Portugal. I'm gonna do a road trip wild camping. I picked this tent up when I got here, so join me on the wild adventure. Let's do it. Check this one out. What a beauty. Look at that. Last night we drove down here in the pitch black, and when we got down, there's a little bit of a cliff edge down there, and jeez, we couldn't barely drive back up. Had to put the foot down. It was burning rubber trying to get up that hill. It was dodgy AF. We didn't know if we get back up the hill, but we did, and we're here, and it's a beautiful day. There's some dark clouds, a little bit of drizzle, but not too bad. Them waves were crashing last night, smacking down. It's gonna jump up into the car over there and head on, go north or maybe inland into a forest. Haven't a clue. Just look up as we go along and see what happens. Look at this. Let's put this all along the wall. Stop people climbing up. Ooh, imagine we had a tent up here. How lit that would be. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Let's go in and have a now gander, shall we? Jeez, look, I got over that glass. Hope it's alright coming down. It's always worse coming down, isn't it? Look at this. Abandoned buildings, baby. Let's see what's down here. No other way up here. Hello? Clear in there. No boogeyman, look at this. Thought it'd be deeper. Yo, anyone home? I come in peace. It's dark over there. I guess this is the castle tour. And there's no other way up here. And they've put glass all around the edges to stop people climbing in. But, you know, I have to show you, YouTube. This is what we do. Look at this, what the hell is this? An old shower. What's this? What the hell is that? Means we were camping out over there in that rock. Look, this is what the glass I'm on about. Look what they put. That's bad, man. They built that in so people don't climb up, but you put your hand on that and you can't see. You go up in the right place. People must have knocked it off before. I like it. Now for getting down, I'm actually a bit nervous about getting down. It's a big wall, like 15 foot. Way out to head into some mountains, some beautiful park with a castle in it. This one's gonna be good. I don't think we'll be making it directly to this castle. I think we're gonna have to stop for all of these beautiful scenes. Maybe come back later and put a tent there, depending on how much time we have. Look at that beauty. Woo. Coming our beautiful lunch out here. That's what we do. Bit ketchup, bit of chicken, ham, cheese, salami. Good old Scooby snack, this one. But yeah, just keep the lunches basic, you know. We got a pot and we do the cereal in the morning, some fruit. This for lunch, keep you going. Whatever for dinner, don't know, just something quick and simple. I haven't bought a cooker yet to cook actually, but maybe not. See what happens. What up? So we in this park in God knows where, Sintra I think it's called, and there's a castle, a real cool castle out here somewhere, but you can't park anywhere. So we did find somewhere at the side of the road, ages from the castle. We can't drive, you can't drive for some reason. You have to park in the town, which is probably 45 or an hour walk away, and then you're supposed to get a bus or whatever. So we parked at the side of the road up there, and all this is like gated off and stuff. So the way we're going is hopping over a few walls and trying to take a shortcut. Trying to take a shortcut so we can make that trip 45 minutes and not over an hour. I don't know why this is all closed off, but if you see anyone, we can hide. All the roads up here are closed for some reason. It's only very small amount of roads you can drive on. So even Google Maps is telling us drive this way, and then you can't drive it because it's gated off. It's telling us to drive like there's roads like that and stuff. So it's even going to be an adventure on its own trying to get out here, and it's dark in like an hour and a half, and you can't see any footage on the GoPro. You can't see any footage on the GoPro at night time, but I'll try and keep you updated. I'm gonna have to jump down here somehow. I'll be back to this. Jungle vibes. Look at this up here. It's always the good stuff that's gated off, isn't it? I hear a truck down there. Yeah, there's a van down there. Keep the head down. Maybe it's just loggers or something that can come in here, I don't know. But everywhere's closed off for some reason. It's funny because it's signposted, but I know we're not supposed to be in here. Because every single gate to this place is locked. As you'll see, there's a gate just there, which is locked. So, we keep snooping around up here. I don't know why this place is closed, but we know we had to explore. Such a weird place with these lights. For what reason? What was here? A little gap over there. The wall's huge over there. So it just came from in there and I topped this wall. This is the crack now. Trying to find a way back out onto the main road. And there's a police car just down there. Look at the blue lights. Where to go? Oh, is there a gate? There's another gate down there. Another gate just there. I don't know if you can see, but there's also a car, a police car. So F that. I'm gonna turn around, hop that wall and go back in another way. Here now, there's this beautiful castle we're trying to get to, but right here you've got to pay for a ticket. So we're just gonna make a venture out of it and try to sneak in. So you can see the ticket place is there, so we might just go with that there. Through this way and up and around. The main road is just there. Now there's another part we're gonna have to try scurry up, and then we should be in the park if we crawl up the side of this hill. Oh, looks kind of rocky, baby. Let's try to go a different way. before any cars catch me. I'm gonna run. Look. Oh, the jacket's fairly camouflage, right? This is quite dangerous. I'll put you away for a second. There's the ticket office over there. Carrying on up. I'm going to put this away because I don't want to drop it. I'm stuck in like this maze of rocks. They're all really high. Obviously that's a cliff edge just there. Somehow squeeze through that. Get my legs stuck. I don't really know, man. Oh, I think I see a path now. That's another rock. There's the ticket office. Which is right there. Oh my god. That's where you pay for the tickets. Yeah, that's them lights are police. And then that's the ticket office. But we're just gonna walk. That's where you get in and you pay. And here's normal paying people down here. Okay, awesome. Awesome. We're in for free. We're in for free, baby. It's gonna be fun trying to get out here in the dark. Well, yeah. It's this way, the castle? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. We're on track, baby. We did it. Well, yeah, let's go and find this castle. The only thing we didn't get supplied with was a map. It's got to be cheap if you want to travel all the time, isn't it? For YouTube, they're paying me. The little hippies. Been like lost walking around struggling to find the place because it's a big huge castle at the top of the hill looking everywhere far. No wonder we're struggling. Look where it is. See that? I don't know if you can see that. It's in the clouds. We can see it, but it might be too cloudy for you. It's right up there above them trees. However we get up there, I don't know, but we'll find out. This place is cool as hell, man. Look at this. This place is very enchanting. It seems like there'll be a lot more to know about it. No entry over there. The most craziest castle I've ever seen. Like. Hope it's worth getting the car clamped for. I hope not. This is insane. This is insane. This is like some type of dream world. incredible. And can you imagine that right now it's so foggy, you can't see anything. Can you imagine when on a sunny day you'll be able to see out as far as the eye can see the ocean. You know, you can't see 5 foot in front of you, but I guess it adds to that vibe. Cities are out there and stuff. Oh wow, there's this deadly fort which I was wanted to walk to with you, but this is taking so long. This walk has been at least 1 hour, and wow, yeah, this walk has been like at least an hour, so it's going to be dark probably in 45. But whoa, look at them views, baby. Look, this is like a incredible fort out there which we've seen on the drive up. I think we came from that town down there. This is the ocean out here. You can see the land, and the land meets the sea. Whoa, a flipping like 360-degree view of so much land across Portugal. That's insane. Let's see, go doesn't go dark. Alright, so you can't see nothing because it's pitch black now. We just went through them woods for a while, and we have to exit the same way because the way that we came in, even though it was near a proper entrance, that entrance has been closed, but we obviously didn't know that because we didn't get tickets, so we have to go. Now, are we even going the right way? No, we ain't going the right way. Are we going the right way? I think it's up this way. So we didn't know. So yeah, we gotta climb down them rocks just to get out, which is a bit of a pain, but it is what it is. So yeah, we'll meet you back at the car or else at the campsite tomorrow. We'll see what happens. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog, and if you want to watch the next vlog in the next episode, it'll continue on where we go camping tonight and take it from there, see what we get up to. Alright, peace out. Can't believe it. Here's the gate. Look, I can't believe it. The gate was opened the whole time, just slightly, and when we seen it from back there, we couldn't see anything. We thought it was closed. We thought maybe like, I don't know, just the main entrance was open. So we spent 20 minutes climbing down them rocks in a pitch black. We killed ourselves. But yeah, we're out now, so we're walking on the road now and it's black and the torch is starting to go dead. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.